So this little beauty is from my only out and out sprint pair here at Pioneer Pigeons this year. This is a child of Bonnie and Clyde. Called them Bonnie and Clyde just because they suited it. Bonnie and Clyde, I'll have to put the pedigrees up to show you, but essentially they're the best breeding pair that Andy Pereira has ever had. Federation winners, club winners galore, out and out top pigeons. Yeah, so this is, we've got one pure sprint pair. They belong together, the two of them. They produce cracking results. They're babies. This pigeon will be going as a test to Dubai. I actually sent its nestmate out to Thailand, actually flying out tonight. Sent it out to the Masters race in Thailand last week. But this pigeon will be going to Dubai. I've said before, the Dubai race, although it's a sprint race, it's a harder race. So we're sending six of the 8 that'll be hard pigeons, and then we're going to try a couple more sprinters. I've got another more sprint-based pigeon paired with a Franz Wow pigeon I'm sending out, and the rest will all be out and out Morris O'Donnell Snow Prince pigeons. There'll be some Snow Prince combined. I've shot some videos of some Snow Prince paired with Franz Wows as well to go to Dubai to see. But yeah, we'll see what this beauty does out in Dubai. Catch you soon.